In this video, I'm going to explain about the indications, contraindications and application of TENS. So first indication, TENS can be used for the treatment of chronic pain syndrome. So chronic pain syndrome, it is the persistent pain that lasts weeks to years. Second is phantom limb pain. Phantom limb pain, it is a psychologically type of pain. So it is mostly occur after amputation. Patient who is having amputation, so they complains of pain over the amputated area. Third is reflex sympathetic dystrophy. It is a disorder that causes lasting pain and it shows up after an injury. The severity of pain is typically worse than the original injury itself. Then fourth is post-operative pain after surgery. We can also use TENS to reduce the pain. Then the fifth one is obstetric pain. So obstetric pain is an acute pain that is limited to few hours a mother spends in labor and during delivery. Next is contraindications. So first contraindication, continuous application of high TENS may result in some electrolytic reaction below the skin surface. Second is TENS is contraindicated in patients having cardiac pacemakers because of possible interference with the frequency of pacemaker. Then next, TENS should be avoided in first 3 months of pregnancy. Then TENS should also avoided in hemorrhagic conditions, and also it should be avoided over open wounds, carotid sinus, over the mouth, near eyes, etc. So this is about indications and contraindications. So now we will see the electrode placement of TENS for ankle pain. So this is the placement for, uh, for ankle. So we have to place the electrodes where the pain is more. Then we have to set the machine. First timer we have to set, which is followed by mode and frequency. After that we have to increase the intensity. So in this TENS machine, only 2 channels are there. So here we are using only one channel from one, and from that one channel 2 electrodes are there. So TENS basically used for pain relief, any kind of pain, post-operative pain, obstetric pain, then chronic pain syndrome, then reflex sympathetic dystrophy. So in this kind of pain we can use TENS. So this is the placement for TENS for ankle joint. Thank you.